everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of home improvement, laying vinyl plank flooring. Specifically, we'll discuss which direction to lay it in multiple rooms for a cohesive look. This is your step-by-step guide for 2024. Let's get started. Step 1. Plan your layout. First, let's plan the layout. It's essential to visualize how the planks will flow from one room to another. Consider the light source. Planks laid parallel to the main light source, like windows, can make the room appear larger and more inviting. Room size and shape. In long, narrow rooms, laying planks parallel to the longest wall can enhance the space's proportion. For square rooms, the direction is more flexible. Connecting rooms. For a seamless look, it's best to lay the planks in the same direction throughout all connecting rooms. This helps create a unified flow. Step 2. Prepare the subfloor. Next, preparing the subfloor is crucial for a smooth installation. Ensure the subfloor is clean and level. Underlayment. Some vinyl planks come with an attached underlayment, but if yours don't, laying down a separate underlayment can provide extra cushioning and soundproofing. Step 3. Start laying the planks. Now, let's start laying the planks. Measure and cut the planks. Measure the room and cut the first row of planks to fit. Remember to leave a small gap around the edges for expansion. Stagger the joints. Staggering the joints not only looks better but also adds stability. Aim for at least a 6-inch offset between the ends of adjacent planks. Step 4. Transitioning between rooms. Transitioning between rooms can be tricky, but it's manageable with a few tips. Use transition strips. Transition strips help bridge gaps and manage height differences between rooms. They come in various styles to match your flooring. Align the planks. Ensure the planks in adjacent rooms align perfectly. This might mean cutting planks to start a new room, so the transition looks seamless. And there you have it, a beautifully laid vinyl plank floor that flows seamlessly through multiple rooms. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you with your project. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.